Today we have a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Mayor Thinks He's Above the Law.
You know I'm the mayor of the town, right? And this is over taxes. Show them, grab them taxes, show them what they did.
This disgraced mayor threatened to blow up a courthouse with help from his 101 cousins after the county auditor refused to entertain his repeated requests for tax refunds.
Yeah, so there's a cell phone number. So that's part of his complaint, but whatever.
County owes me on a building that's under construction. That isn't even what he called me for. That sounds like a Kathy Joe, like land bank thing.
He's nuts.
Yep.
Oh,
You
no?
dealt with him? Yep.
Well, now he's going to be the ex-mayor here, probably. Has he been here this week in person that you're aware of? I've never seen him.
No, I've never seen him.
It's probably some small town.
Or twice.
Well, he called yesterday.
Okay.
We're so busy we can't return calls.
Understood.
He called yesterday. He was nasty to her, but he wasn't like making any threats. And then I guess he called today. He must have got court. Did he get you right off the bat?
I don't know if he got me, Nicole first, then me, then Nicole again, but he talked to Fran too, so I don't know
today?
how that worked.
He talked to you today, Fran, or yesterday?
Yesterday.
But he was no threats yesterday?
He was just threatening everything. Like getting on Facebook, getting an attorney.
That stuff.
That kind of, he didn't personally threaten me. He just,
But he told you he was going to get his whole family come up below the courthouse up.
Yes.
So that's winner, chicken dinner.
Got him.
I really don't doubt that. We wouldn't talk to him. He'd be like, yeah.
Yeah. I did find a Joe Schaefer on Facebook, and his Facebook, no pictures. It's all guns and American flags and stuff on all his pictures.
Patriotism.
Yeah.
The mayor was elected in 2023, but his issues with the courthouse can be dated back to at least 2020. Through these years, he had threatened the attendees with violence multiple times, and it had only intensified since.
Hello?
He's the mayor?
This is Cindy, the auditor.
The reason I'm calling, in 2023, I paid $2,000 in property tax that I shouldn't have been taxed on at all. Before they did that, it was $13 a year. And when my mom came in for that meeting, they had her pay another $250, of which she shouldn't have had to pay anything. And we should have been reimbursed that money, and it has not been reimbursed.
Well, in your opinion, you should have been reimbursed. We held a BOR hearing with you, and we disproved everything that you claimed, and we didn't owe you anything. And actually, it's not you, it's your mother.
Well, in 2023, them taxes should have only been $13, but we paid $2,000.
Well, again, that's your opinion. That's not what the state
No,
tells
that's
us
a fact.
it has
I got
to
the
be.
receipt.
That's fine.
I got all the tax information.
Then that's
And my
fine.
mom didn't comprehend it until I showed her, and then she's like, oh!
Well,
And
again,
then she should never had to pay anything when she came in September.
well, I totally disagree with you, but you can choose to believe what you want.
Oh, so you're just going to rob from her like Mark Thomas did that elderly woman? Because that's essentially what this was. It was an out-and-out theft, taking advantage of an elderly woman that doesn't have all of her resources.
I'm following the law to tax your mother's property according to what the law tells us to do here. We are not
Well, the
violating
law
any law.
also says that you can only tax based on purchase price, too. Opinions are not a zero factor. When somebody purchases something, then it's based on the purchase price. Like, when I go to the grocery store, they don't say, oh, well, you drive a nice truck, we got to charge you more. It doesn't work like that.
You know, Joe, I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. I've argued with you for 2 or 3 years now. I'm not going to waste
Okay,
my
I'll
time
stop in
anymore.
with all my paperwork to show you tomorrow.
That's fine. You do whatever you think you have to do. But I'm telling you right now, we're not going to listen to any more of your stories that you have to tell and your accusations we're not going to put up with. We're done.
I'm going to file against you in the courts because
I could care less.
that's illegal, and that is a theft under the guise of government, because that property should not have been taxed until that building was done. And I'll even bring Eugene Morford in as a witness, because took 20 years to build his. We're only a few years in, and you taxed us on a property that isn't even complete.
Officers also conducted an extensive sweep of the courthouse for any suspicious items, and then decided to pay a visit to the mayor.
That's clear. Just confirmation on the address.
Yeah, this is one of them small little town rinky-dink joints.
What's happening, bro? How's it going, man? Joe?
Yeah, what's going on?
Good. Turn around for me.
Sherry!
Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back here, buddy.
Sherry!
We'll fill her in, too.
What now?
Hi. Hold on 1 second. Just hang it right there for me for a second, okay? Want your hand up.
Tell me why.
Give us 1 second. We're going to let us get this, then we'll go through. Second.
Yeah, I got a
Hold on.
nice on my left hand.
Okay. I'll grab it. Yeah, I'll grab take care of this. You just hang out there for us, okay? If you want, why don't we step a little, so we're not all so crowded.
What side is that penknife at?
Left side.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna grab it, alright?
Yeah.
Anything else that could poke me, prick me, stab me, or anything like that? Harm me anyway?
What is it?
Sir, anything that can harm me anyway?
No,
Okay.
You don't want to take anything with you?
No.
Okay.
No, I'll be calling an attorney.
Call Joe.
I will.
I didn't threaten nobody.
I know.
You know I'm the mayor of the town, right? And this is over taxes. Show them. Grab them taxes. Show them what they did. They took $2,000 and were supposed to pay us back for our land taxes.
They owed us $4,000.
And then when my mom went in to have the meeting, they had her pay another $250, and she's widowed. And then, you know, my mom and dad paid hand over fist for fines for my brother to the county, and he was blackmailed by that Bel Air cop to bust them junkies down in Bel Air, and the next day he ends up dead. And this is what we're going to get from the county? Yeah. Or is it because I put online that we should secede to Harrison County? Who filed the charges?
This is state. I bet you it's that dirtbag. That dirtbag did. I can't wait for her to come and get her coffee tomorrow at Starbucks.
Oh, they're both nuts.
Do you have any questions, concerns, anything we can address before we leave?
No. Okay. Yeah, you have a good day, sir. There you go. Let her on now.
Oh, yeah. You guys came in here several years ago. Yeah, came in here several years ago and hit those rocks. And you got, there is a mud flap in the back of that truck right there, one of those formed ones that go to your guys' stuff. 25 there.
61 dispatch.
Yeah, we have.
Alright, all units going to be 33. One is this will be transporting that mail 25 Jeff.
The male was charged with aggravated menacing, inducing panic threat and violence, and making terroristic threats. He was sentenced to 10 days in jail and 2 years of probation. He continues to serve as the mayor of the village of Holloway. YouTube thinks
the mayor of the village of Holloway. Some rinky-dink little freaking... Come on, man. Like, listen, you ain't... Come on, man. You know I'm the mayor, right? Yeah, but you ain't the mayor. And listen, you the mayor of some rinky-dink town that probably got maybe 2,000 people in it, if that. Okay? It's we gonna look it up. What is this? Serves as the...
He continues to serve as the mayor of the village
of Holloway. Let's see. All right. Population of the village of Holloway. Oops. Holloway. Okay. Village of Holloway. Oh, my bad. Did I say 2,000 residents? Well, based on the 2020 census, 330 residents. Come on, man. This is bad. This is bad. Okay? You ain't getting no props, man. You the mayor of a village that got 300 people in it. This is the end of the video, man. This is just the end of the video. Cops, they get a 5. They get a 5, man. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.